Hey guys, welcome to Draw with Sandee at the Little Artistic Nook. Today we'll be drawing this cute little fruit tart. Let's start off by drawing a small straight line across the center of the page and drawing a shallow U shape underneath to create the fruit tart's mouth. You can add in a little curve for a tongue right in the center of the mouth and then shade in above it. We're going to give our fruit tart some really happy eyes, so come towards the corner of the mouth and draw out a small rainbow shape, one on each side. Next, I'm going to draw in the cheeks by just creating some ovals that are right underneath the two eyes. So when you look at your drawing, your cheeks will be pretty much in line with the rest of the mouth. And now we can go ahead and add in some little eyebrows just above the eyes for a super cute expression. To draw out our fruit tart's body, you're going to come just a little bit past the outside edge of the face and near the top of the eyebrow. Then start to draw a curved line down towards the bottom of your page and slightly towards the center. Do the same thing on the other side, and then connect the two lines across the bottom with a line that goes all the way underneath the face. Now coming to the top of those lines, I'm going to make a small C shape on the left and a reverse C shape on the right. So this is sort of the starting part of the crust for my fruit tart. To give a little bit of texture, I'm just going to draw a broken line now that's moving all the way across the top of my fruit tart's face. Anywhere I come into contact with something like eyebrows, I'm just going to lift my marker. Starting on the left side, I'm just going to come back up to that C shape and place a small dot just a little bit inside of it. Then I'm going to start to make some little mountains or curves, rainbow shapes, whatever you like to call them, all the way across from the left to the right side of my fruit tart. And I'm going to stop just before I hit the edge of that right side. You can close off the crust by just continuing that little loop from those C's and connecting it to the rainbows that you just made. Now we can give our fruit tart some little legs and feet by just drawing out two straight lines from the bottom of the body and adding little circles on the bottom. For the right arm, I'm just going to come to the outside edge and draw a downturned line with a little circle for the hand. And the left arm, I'm going to draw a line in towards the face and top it with a little circle. And now it's time to fill in our fruit tart with all the yummy fruit. So the first thing I'm going to draw is a strawberry. So coming to the top of your fruit tart, draw a little curved line that touches the crust, and then a second curved line that faces it. So you can make your fruits any size you want. You don't even have to do the same fruits as me. Then I'm going to draw out some little triangle shapes all the way across the top to close off my strawberry. Draw a little curved line and then add a little tiny stem. You can create some seeds by just drawing in some little tiny lines all the way down the body of the strawberry. Next, I'm going to draw in a little blueberry. So to do that, I'm just going to draw a curve above my crest as if I was going to draw a full circle. To create that little top piece of my blueberry, I'm just going to draw a wonky square or rectangle. So there isn't really a right or wrong way to do that. You're just going to make some kind of shape that indicates that little top part where the stem would grow out. You can add as many blueberries as you like. To create an orange slice, I'm just going to draw a straight line that's angled upwards towards the top of my page, and then I'm going to draw a curve coming back down towards the crust. To show the little slices, I'm just going to draw little triangles inside that mirror my outside edges. So I'll draw curved lines along the bottom of those triangles to match the curve along the bottom of the slice, and straight lines where they're mirroring the top of my orange. So I think I'm going to add in a little strawberry here now, but this time I'm going to make him have a little face. So to start this strawberry, I'm going to curve my line towards the right side of my page And then I'm going to curve a second line facing that one so that he's sitting right into that tart. Close off the top of your strawberry with some little triangles to create the little leaves, and then you can just draw a line straight across the top and add in a little stem above that. I'm going to have my strawberry be pretty happy, so I'm just going to draw out 2 little oval eyes and then just a little smile peeking out from behind the crust. I'm going to throw in a couple more blueberries and maybe a raspberry. So again, you can fill in your tart with any kind of fruits you like. Blueberries, of course, are the simplest since they are just little circles, but have fun with it. So I have space for one more little tiny fruit, so to draw out a little raspberry, I'm just going to draw a whole series of little tiny circles side by side, and I'm just going to fill in all the way down into the crust of the fruit tart. Now let's top our tart with some whipped cream. So find a space where you think you'd like to put it, and we will start by drawing the first layer of whipped cream. So to do this, I'm just going to come in between my strawberry and my orange slice and draw a curved line. Then I'm going to draw the same curved line but going in the opposite direction. And I'm going to do another one, but this time just coming a little bit more inward so that as I move up towards the top, my little blob of whipped cream is just getting a little bit narrower. Then you can draw out the very top by creating a curved line with a point and closing it off so you have that little bell shape at the top. And then come and draw in some curves on the inside of that bell shape that mirror the outside edge so that it looks like a little spiral. And now we can draw out the ground for our little fruit tart. So I'm just doing a very simple line that's moving across my page and just coming a little bit above the bottom of his feet. I'm going to add in a stalk of wheat over on the left, so begin by drawing a curvy line that comes all the way down to the ground and draw a small little loop or curve right at the very top. Then coming just above the bottom of your stem, you can draw a loop on each side so that you have something that looks like a heart. And then you're going to just keep drawing these loops all the way up your stem until you reach the very top loop. You can finish off your little stalk of wheat by adding in some little lines in between the petals just to make it look a little more whimsical. And of course, if you've been drawing with me now for a while, you know I love my little floating friends. So let's start off by drawing a little orange slice over here on the right. I'm going to draw a nice big rainbow and just top it with a straight line. And then to draw in the little slices, I'm going to create 3 little triangles. So the bottoms of my triangles will follow that curved line, and I'm going to have one that's sort of in the center, coming to a point at the bottom of that orange slice, and then drawing another little third triangle. Let's add in a little blueberry over here on the left, just drawing out a nice circle. You can make it as big or as small as you like. And then I'm going to put the little stem opening near the top of that circle. So just drawing out some little angled lines and closing them off so you have some kind of shape. And I think I'm going to give my blueberry a little face. So maybe just a dreamy face here with some closed eyes and a little smile. And for my last little detail, a little strawberry friend here on the ground. So to draw him out, I'm going to draw a curved triangle shape with a nice open top. So the point of the triangle is just a little bit above the ground. Then I'm going to close them off by drawing those little triangle shapes across the top, starting to curve a line, and I'm going to just draw a stem out from the center there. You can go ahead and add in a cute little face. I'm just going to do some little oval eyes and a nice little smile. And if you have space, you can add in some seeds just across the top there, coming down towards the face, And let's add in some little legs so he's connected to the ground, and then go ahead and draw in 2 little arms. So that's our little fruit tart and all his little friends. Thank you so much for drawing today with me, guys. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel. So until next time for another Draw with Sandee at the Little Artistic Nook, keep making art and keep smiling.